Okay, here we are. We're about to change the steering wheel on a 1998 Toyota Sienna. Um, because
Why?
because it looks like crap.
It is.
It's all destroyed.
Take off the fucking cover. Show them.
I know. It's like look at this. Looks like fucking like.
Damn.
See that? So
It's yellow.
yeah, it's taped. I got it like this. I didn't do this. I just put the cover on to make it look better.
You got it like this?
No, when the van came to me, it was like this, with taped. And I went and put this cover on, but then the cover looked like shit, and it started falling apart. So we're about to change it today. So the first thing you gotta do is, of course, is go into the engine bay and locate your battery and disconnect the fucking battery, which is the negative terminal, right?
Yeah.
Yes. And then you gotta turn the find a way to lock the steering wheel. The only way my steering wheel locks is in this position, which sucks. Okay? Because we're gonna have to go in here and remove the airbag, which is one bolt here, or one screw there, and the other one is down here. Actually down there, sorry. See? And what size screws are those?
It's supposed to be T30.
T30 on the sides there. And then once we remove the airbag, there should be a bolt. Well, we gotta disconnect the airbag and the horn, and there should be a 19 millimeter bolt that we're gonna use a 19 millimeter socket to remove the bolt, and the steering wheel should come off. All right, let's start this.
Took a shower already though.
Damn, disconnected. I was gonna say tie that baby around the handle.
You have the tires.
Step 2.
You want to show it in there or something?
Yeah, I did show.
You already did?
Yeah, it's on the side there. We gotta do
Yo,
it
this steering wheel smells like shit. It smells like a fucking porta potty.
because of the fucking cover, man. Stinks. Sucks. Look at that. And this is the other steering wheel that I'm replacing it with. Sucks. Well, you gotta remove the tabs that are covering the holes. I use my fingernails to get it out. You can use a little flathead screwdriver. Like I said, use a flathead screwdriver, little one, to pop the tabs that are covering the bolts. And when you remove the 2 bolts, this should happen. The airbag should come out. There's like 4 tabs to remove the airbag, like as you can see on the steering wheel that doesn't have it. It's like this one, that one, and the one that is broken off. So this is what you gotta do. Very carefully try to.
That's a top.
Find out that it was not the tabs. It was actually these screws. It was the tabs, but the main culprit was, I guess these. You know how these bolts, screws, pop in and out, but you cannot remove them. If they stay in place like this after you unscrew them, it's gonna be giving you a hard time to actually remove the airbag. So when you do it, make sure you try to unscrew it and make sure they're popped out like that. It's a little hard to see, but this is supposed to happen like this. Come out and be like this. And there should be a plug for the airbag right here, which can do this with one hand. Should supposed to come out. Pull this top up, the white one, and just push, and it should come out. Oop.
Want me to hold it?
Wait, all right. So, I think I removed the wrong one. Let's go back in there. And I think this one that you gotta take out. Let me take this out. Close it up. So what you do to remove this is you push on the two white ones, pops out like that, and then just pull. Actually, you gotta push this one too. Push on this tab, it should come out. And put the shit back in there, because we're gonna reuse this shit. Time for this bolt.
I mean, you gotta remove that plug right there.
Yeah,
too.
this plug too.
What the fuck you doing?
I wish I can have a small finger, but I guess we're gonna use a pair of pliers or something.
I'm sorry, what? Are you struggling right there? Damn, man.
I can't get in my hand.
Huh, fucking fat ass fingers. Like
Sausage fingers. So yeah, so you pull this top, push this tab down, and then just pull. That comes out. And that stays there. That's for the airbag and this is for the horn. And this crap, I guess. Cruise control. Alright, so it's time to remove the fucking steering. Okay. Damn. Nice to have
you gotta pull it out though. So, I don't know, so it doesn't smack you in the face when you take the steering wheel out.
So you leave the bolt on and use force. Hold up.
Here, go ahead.
Ah,
There you go. Here, go ahead, remove it.
damn. Oh, baby. Now make sure the way we put it, gotta put it back in. So, you know. I'm almost steering wheel. All right.
You got the fucking. Oh, it looks so.
I'm gonna reuse these from this steering wheel. I'm gonna reuse it here because, as you can see, that one there,
Missing piece.
it's missing.
And it
Bad.
just, he doesn't want his van to look ugly.
And I don't want my van to look ugly. And I don't want the writing in the back that says Toyota Sienna. I know what the fuck it is. Sorry for the cursing. All right, Eric. You gotta show him what you did.
Alright. the back plastic piece. All you gotta do is remove this screw right here, which basically holds this piece onto the wheel. But then to remove it, you also have to remove this out of the way. So you have to unscrew this, unscrew that. These two are both T30s. And then once you remove that, this here, you would remove this, take it out the way,
and remove the cruise control switch.
Then you're gonna have this right here, okay?
Yeah, which are gonna be the same two screws that are holding this right here.
Just regular screws. You gotta remove those 3 screws.
Regular Phillips head screws.
You can see that one right there,
and then one right there.
So after you remove this bracket, there's one right here and one right underneath. Then when you do that, you just basically move this rubber piece that's holding on to the plastic part. Move
with 2 tabs, yeah.
Well, you just move it up and then it comes out. And then you just pull this out through here and then
we can reuse
you got a Momo steering wheel.
Momo steering wheel. Like, shit.
Alright. You want it like that?
No, hell no. I want my shit looking mint. No, fuck that.
What happened? The tabs, I was thinking you could also probably reuse this because the tabs on this one were broken.
Yeah, reuse this one.
But the thing
take this one out.
But you have to like do your electrician shit and remove that.
No, not this one. Is this one?
Yeah, you're right.
That one. So we can take this one out. As you can see, this tab over here is broken. So I want to reuse this one over here.
So.
Look what we have here. It's the beast. Which is, he needs a, what do you need on it? A throttle body? Okay, you remove that bracket. And what size bolts are those?
T30.
T30s. I think they're all T30s. And then they use a regular Phillips head screwdriver to remove the cruise control switch. And then the 2 tabs. Just move that out of the way.
You got light? Can you see?
Yeah, I can.
You slide it over.
Slide it over. And then you should push out.
Not push out. You remove this shit.
Yeah, remove the plastic, the tabs on the corners. See? And then it just pops out. To reverse the whole process of removing the back part, you gotta reverse the process.
Yeah.
Slide in this switch.
You know?
Do you know? That rubber thing on.
Like on the hooks.
On the hookies. And as you can see, we took the other bracket out, the one that is cracked from the I would say from the new steering wheel, which is, and then we replace it with the old that has the 4 tabs. See, this one was broken right there. It was missing. So info, then you look for the screws to mount the switch on. Philip.
Oh, I'm gonna
Oh,
screw in the back part first.
oh, to the plastic. Yeah, you gotta do that. Okay, so you gotta put in the 2 screws to hold the back plastic.
Yeah.
And then
Right here.
the screw right there. Then you gotta screw
we're
on the
gonna,
switch.
we're gonna screw that back on. See
The switch.
that part.
Felipe head screwdriver. Philip. Why do they call it a Philip?
I don't know. Why don't you look that up?
I don't know. Google that shit. I don't know. Hey Philip. I don't know.
Back on.
You mount the bracket back on with a number T10.
T30, man.
T30. Sorry.
Wanna pass it to me?
Yeah. And now you're ready.
No, for real, you're gonna do this part, right? All right, man. Oh, my bad. Didn't mean to squash your leg. Oh shit.
You mount the steering wheel and you reverse the process, hooking up the switch and putting the airbag on. You know. Well, not putting the airbag, but bolting the bolt with a 19mm socket. So yeah, cross-threading the ship. So you tighten it up as much as you can, and yeah, cross your fingers you don't cross-thread it like we almost did over here. Son of a bitch. Okay, and then just connect back the airbag. So yeah, you reverse the process, and then hook up at the airbag back on. Okay, Mr. Eric forgot to tighten up the 4 brackets?
No, 2 brackets.
The 2 brackets. 4 bolts. Okay. Good afternoon. All right, how are you?
All right, how are you?
You gotta be polite, man. People say good morning to you.
You don't say
gotta
nothing
respond.
back. Never says nothing back.
Well, she gotta check the one online then. I did. I connected to the ones for the cruise control, which I don't care if he's not connected because I don't use that shit anyways. And the one for the airbag and the horn. All right. So connect back the battery. And this is how you do and replace the steering wheel on a 1998 Toyota Sienna, because I was searching on YouTube how to do this shit and we couldn't find it. So hopefully this helps somebody that owns a Toyota Sienna. Remember, you need a 19mm socket for the bolt in the middle, and a T30 screwdriver set thing. Alright. I'm gonna try the van with the new steering wheel. The new Alright, it seems that it's working so far. It's good so far. Testing it. I may have to do an alignment soon. But other than that, it's good. So, like I said, anybody that owns a Toyota Sienna 1998, this is how you do a steering wheel exchange. Now I feel more happy. It's not loose, so that means the bolt is tight.